Passive Income Ideas Part 1. Earning passive income in India, or anywhere else, often requires upfront effort, time, and sometimes capital. Keep in mind that the success of any passive income venture depends on various factors, including market conditions, your skills, and the effort you're willing to invest initially. Here are 25 potential ways to earn passive income in India. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate through crowdfunding platforms. Rental properties. Buy and rent out properties. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. Invest in REITs for real estate exposure. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses. Fixed deposits. Invest in fixed deposits with banks or post offices. Government bonds. Invest in government-issued bonds. Corporate bonds. Invest in bonds issued by corporations. Mutual funds. Invest in mutual funds with a dividend option. Exchange-traded funds (ETFs) by ETFs for diversification. National Pension Scheme (NPS). Contribute to NPS for retirement income. Public Provident Fund (PPF). Invest in PPF for long-term savings. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS) for individuals above 60 years. Gold investments. Buy physical gold or gold ETFs. Sovereign gold bonds. Government-backed gold investment. Dividend mutual funds. Mutual funds focused on dividend stocks. Index funds. Invest in funds tracking market indices. Create and sell an online course. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission. Create and sell ebooks. Self-publish ebooks on platforms like Kindle. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photo websites. Add revenue from blogs. Monetize a blog with ads. Create and sell mobile apps. Develop apps and earn from downloads. High-interest savings accounts. Open accounts with high interest rates. Systematic investment plan. SIP. Regularly invest in mutual funds.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.